What if the drone you were planning to buy this year suddenly became old, before it even felt old? Because the DJI Mini 6 Pro leaks are starting to look seriously impressive. And if even half of these upgrades become real, then the Mini 5 Pro might face a huge problem. Now don't get me wrong. The Mini 5 Pro is already one of the best compact drones DJI has ever made. The camera is amazing, the battery life is solid, and for most creators it already feels powerful enough. But every time DJI releases a new mini drone, they somehow make people feel like their current drone instantly needs an upgrade. And this time, the rumors are much bigger than usual. So in today's video, we're comparing the leaked DJI Mini 6 Pro against the current Mini 5 Pro to see what's actually changing, what could improve the most, and whether Mini 5 Pro users should already start saving for the next generation. And trust me, some of these leaks sound honestly crazy for a drone this small. Right now, the Mini series sits in a very interesting place. A few years ago, small drones were treated like beginner gadgets. They were lightweight, limited, and nowhere near professional quality. But DJI completely changed that. The Mini lineup became the perfect balance between portability and power. You could literally fit these drones into a small bag and still capture footage that looked cinematic enough for YouTube, travel films, or even professional work. That's why the Mini series exploded in popularity so fast. The Mini 5 Pro already pushed things forward with better obstacle avoidance, stronger low-light performance, smarter AI tracking, and improved flight stability. For many people, it already feels close to a mini version of the Mavic Pro lineup. But according to leaks, DJI wants the Mini 6 Pro to go even further. The first big rumor is the camera sensor. And honestly, this could be the biggest upgrade of them all. Leaks suggest DJI may improve the sensor size again, allowing much better low-light footage and cleaner night videos. If this happens, creators who shoot travel content, city videos, or cinematic night shots are going to love this thing. Because one of the biggest challenges for small drones has always been low light quality. During daytime, almost every modern drone looks good, but at night, that's where the difference becomes obvious. The Mini 5 Pro already performs well, but if DJI gives the Mini 6 Pro a larger sensor with improved processing, we could see sharper shadows, less noise, and more dynamic range. That means sunsets would look richer, cities would glow better, and night footage might finally start looking truly professional from such a tiny drone. And then comes the second leak: battery life. This is something every drone user cares about, no matter how good the camera is, because nobody likes landing every few minutes. Rumors suggest DJI may improve flight efficiency again, possibly pushing battery performance even further than the Mini 5 Pro. Now, imagine getting longer flights while keeping the drone lightweight and portable. That's huge for travelers and content creators. Think about hiking videos, mountain shots, beach travel content, or cinematic flyovers. More battery means more creativity without constantly checking battery percentages every few seconds. And honestly, DJI has become extremely good at optimizing battery life. Every new generation somehow squeezes out extra minutes, and those extra minutes matter more than people think. But here's where things start getting really interesting: AI features. This is probably the area where DJI could completely change the experience. The Mini 5 Pro already introduced smarter subject tracking and automated flight features, but leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro may push AI much harder. Better subject recognition, smoother tracking, improved obstacle prediction, and possibly smarter cinematic automation. Imagine launching the drone, selecting yourself, and the drone automatically creating smooth cinematic movements, almost like a professional camera operator. That's the direction drones are slowly moving toward. And the scary part? She's getting very close to making complex drone shots look effortless. A few years ago, cinematic drone footage required real skill. You needed practice, timing, and careful control. But now AI is handling more and more of the hard work. For YouTubers, vloggers, and travel creators, that's amazing, because it means better footage with less effort. But for professional drone pilots, it also means the gap between beginners and experts keeps shrinking. Now let's talk about design. At first glance, DJI drones usually don't change dramatically. They keep the same recognizable style. But small design improvements can completely change how a drone feels in real-world use. Leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro may become even more aerodynamic with improved cooling and quieter propellers. And honestly, quieter drones are something people massively underestimate. Because when a drone sounds less aggressive, it instantly feels more premium. It attracts less attention, feels smoother in the air, and creates a more comfortable flying experience overall. The Mini 5 Pro is already compact and lightweight, but DJI constantly refines these details every generation. Smaller bezels around sensors, cleaner body lines, improved airflow, stronger folding arms. These little changes add up fast. Another rumored improvement is transmission range and signal stability. Now this is one of those features people ignore until they actually need it. A stronger signal means smoother live view, more confidence while flying far away, and fewer random connection drops, especially in crowded environments or cities filled with wireless interference. If DJI upgrades transmission technology again, the Mini 6 Pro could become an even more reliable travel drone for creators who shoot in difficult environments. And speaking of creators, we should probably talk about content quality, because this is where things get dangerous for the Mini 5 Pro. If the Mini 6 Pro truly improves low light, stabilization, AI movement, and dynamic range altogether, then footage from this tiny drone could start competing with much bigger and more expensive drones. That's insane when you think about it. A small foldable drone that fits into a backpack, producing cinematic shots that look almost movie level in the right hands. And the crazy thing is, this is exactly what DJI wants. They want smaller drones to feel powerful enough that most people never even need larger drones anymore. Now obviously, not every leak becomes reality. That's important to remember. Some rumored features could be exaggerated, delayed, or completely fake. This happens every single year before a major DJI release. People expect impossible upgrades, and then the final product ends up being more realistic. But even if only some of these leaks are true, the Mini 6 Pro still sounds like a serious step forward. Now the real question is this: should Mini 5 Pro owners upgrade? Honestly, it depends on what kind of creator you are. If you already own the Mini 5 Pro and mainly shoot daytime content, casual travel videos, or social media clips, then your drone is still extremely powerful. You probably don't need to rush into upgrading immediately. But if DJI truly improves low light quality, AI tracking, and battery performance in a major way, then content creators who want the absolute best compact drone experience might find the Mini 6 Pro very hard to ignore, especially YouTubers, because audiences notice cinematic quality more than ever now. Smooth movements, clean night footage, dynamic shots. These things instantly make videos feel more premium, and creators are constantly chasing ways to make their content stand out. That's exactly why drone competition keeps becoming more intense every year. Now let's talk about price for a second. This is where DJI always plays a dangerous game, because every new feature increases expectations, but it also increases cost. If the Mini 6 Pro becomes too expensive, people may start comparing it to larger drones instead of compact drones. And that's where DJI has to stay smart. The reason the Mini lineup became so successful is because it feels like the sweet spot: portable, powerful, and relatively affordable compared to flagship drones. If DJI keeps that balance while adding these rumored upgrades, they could easily dominate the compact drone market again. And honestly, they probably know that already. Right now, drone technology is evolving insanely fast. Cameras are improving, AI is improving, batteries are improving, stabilization is improving. And every year drones start feeling less like gadgets and more like flying smart cameras. The Mini 6 Pro might end up becoming the biggest example of that yet. A tiny drone with cinematic power, AI intelligence, and professional-looking footage packed into something you can literally carry in one hand. That's why people are so excited about these leaks already. Because even before launch, the Mini 6 Pro feels like the kind of product that could instantly dominate YouTube tech videos, travel creators, and drone communities everywhere. But now I want to know something from you guys. If these leaks turn out to be true, would you actually upgrade from the Mini 5 Pro to the Mini 6 Pro? Or do you think the changes won't be worth the money? Drop your opinion in the comments because, honestly, this comparison is getting really interesting already, even before DJI officially announces anything. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe right now because we're going to cover more DJI leaks, upcoming tech, and future gadgets that could completely change content creation in 2026. Trust me, the next few months are going to be crazy for drone fans.